Yes! Yes, so I'm back today, and we are still developing our ear ability to hear the things. And so today we want to do something, and we are going to be learning about melody dictation. So when you listen to the melody, you're able to tell it and reproduce it and play it accurately. So this is the melody that maybe all of us have heard. All right, so if you know this melody, yeah, so I don't know if you're able to identify. So if you listen to those notes, I want you to be able to play them on your personal keyboard. Or you can make some more complex melodies, and let's go. Alright, so those are two chords. Okay, that was complex, but the first one, I think we can do it. Alright, so I don't know if you can identify this, but let me do it again. Alright, so these are the melodies that we'll be encountering, some more complex, some lesser. So most of the intros have melodies, they have lines that they follow, and so your ability to understand the line, how the melody was going, your ability to listen to it and reproduce it exactly is so important in your journey as a player who plays by ear. So I hope you're going to be practicing this, and then you give it more time with your friends and your friends, of course. Yes. So you give it time, and then you're able to do it, and it's going to be helpful to you as you learn your keyboard. So remember to subscribe as always, share with your friends, and I will see you in the next one. So don't miss on the next one because it is coming out very soon. All right, see you.